Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is: the center of gravity of a 3.0 kilogram irregular object is shown in figure 1. You need to move the center of gravity 1.80 centimeter to the left by gluing on a 1.90 kilogram mass, which will then be considered as part of the object part A, where should the center of gravity of this additional mass be located. Express your answer with the appropriate unit template symbol. Undo, redo, fedet keyboard shortcut help reduce to 5.1 centimeter to the left of the original center of gravity. And the answer of the question is: define the given value mass of the original object m1 is 3.3 kg, mass of the additional object m2 is a 1.90 kg. Distance to move the center of gravity 1.80 centimeter to the left. Second, let the initial center of gravity of the original object be at 1/3 the new center of gravity position x. After adding the mass will be x equal to x1 minus 1.80 centimeter. For the formula of the new center of gravity of the combined system is x equal to m1 multiplied by x1 multiplied plus m2 multiplied by x2 over m1 plus m2. 5. Substitute the value x1 minus 1.0 centimeter is equal to 3 multiplied by 1 plus 1.90 multiplied by 2 over 3 plus 190. 6. Simplify the equation x1 minus 1.80 is equal to into 3 multiplied by 1 plus 1.90 multiplied by 2 over 4.90. Some multiply the both sides by 4.90 to clear the denominator. 4.90 multiplied by 1 minus 1.80 equal to 3.00 multiplied by 1 plus 1.90 multiplied by 2. Add distribute 4.90 on the left side. 4.90 multiplied by 1 minus 4.90 multiplied by 1.80 is equal to 3.00 multiplied by 1 plus 1.90 multiplied by 2. Calculate 4.90 multiplied by 1.80. 4.90 multiplied by 1.80 is equal to 8.82. 10. Substitute the value of back into the equation. 4.90 multiplied by 1 minus 8.82 is equal to 3.00 multiplied by 1 plus 1.90 multiplied by 2. Element isolate multiplied by 2 on one side of the equation. 4.90 multiplied by 1 minus 3.00 multiplied by 1 minus 8.82 is equal to 1.90 multiplied by 2. 12. Simplify the left side. 4.90 multiplied by 3.00 multiplied by 1 minus 8.82 is equal to 1.90 multiplied by 2. 1.90 multiplied by 1 minus 8.82 is equal to 1.90 multiplied by 2. Third, divide the sides by 1.90 to solve for 2 multiplied by 1 x1 multiplied by 8.82 over 1.90 equal to x2. X1 minus 4.64 is equal to x2. 14. The center of the gravity of the additional mass should be located. x2 is equal to x1 minus 4.64 centimeters. So the center of gravity of the additional 1.90 kilogram mass should be located 4.64 centimeter to the left of the original center of gravity. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.